Well, our back deck was sinking, so I decided to call AFS, and they came out here. They're very professional. They fixed the foundation, and the reason why is I entertain a lot, and it was a hazard. So we had people tripping, and I wanted something that was very level. So they have a new product, and they came out here, gave me a reasonable price, and I'm very happy with it. So now I can do my entertaining all season long and enjoy my foundation. Well, we saw the coupon in the advertisements and we got this coupon in the mail, so we thought we'd call and give a quote and estimate. After we got the quote and estimate and realized with this new technology that it is way more cost effective to have that done. And so we decided to go ahead and have that done, and we were very happy with it. AFS, they were professional. I received the packet, so when the technician came out, I knew it wasn't just somebody just knocking on my door, so that made me feel very comfortable. So he came in, sat down, and talked with us, and he gave us an education and measured our patio, and was very professional, and I like that he was detailed oriented as well. So then we decided that we were going to go ahead and immediately do the patio. I liked AFS because they were on time, they were professional, and they offered me a service that was cost effective, and I appreciate it. From the technician to the person who called to have the appointment, they were reliable and they did what they were going to say they were going to do, and they offered me an excellent product. So I'm very pleased and happy.